Hello guys, good morning and welcome to my channel Just Travel is 20. It is 8:30 am now and it is raining heavily in Ranchi. Right now we are going to have our breakfast. So for breakfast we have puri, sabzi and one jalebi, same as yesterday. After breakfast, we have to wait for another 1 hour for the rain to stop. And now it's finally time, so let's go. It is 10 am now, our car has arrived and our journey started. Today we are going to Mccluskieganj, which is around 64 kilometers from Ranchi. Mccluskieganj was established in 1933 by Ernest Timothy McCluskey, the Anglo-Indian businessman from Kolkata who visited the place and was impressed by the environment and climate of the area. He then decided to build a town for the Anglo-Indians. So guys, if you are new to this channel, then do subscribe to my channel for more travel updates. It's been an hour and we are really enjoying the scenic beauty of the road. We have arrived at our destination. This is Mccluskieganj Sarv Dharma Sthal. This place has a mosque, church, gurudwara and temple both lying in the same complex, showing integrity and brotherhood. Right next to this place is Kund. This is a natural spring and there is a constant flow of fresh water from the underground. Mccluskieganj offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The peaceful atmosphere makes it an ideal destination for nature lovers. This is the Dugadugi River. This perennial river, along with its bank, looks beautiful during the monsoons and winters. It is 2 p.m. now and it is time for our lunch, so let's see where we can have our lunch. We have arrived at a local restaurant for lunch and you can see the place is really beautiful. So we have already ordered our food and now let's take a tour of this place. And our lunch is ready. So we have egg, chicken, rice, dal and sabzi for our lunch. We are done with our lunch and now it's raining heavily. So I guess we will have to wait for some time till we return to our hotel. is around 4 p.m. now and we are returning back to Ranchi. An hour passed and we have stopped for a while to enjoy the beauty of the roads. It is 6 p.m. now and we have reached Ranchi. It has been a tiring journey since morning, so now we will take some rest. See you guys in a while. And now it's finally dinner time. So for dinner we have yummy and hot aloo parathas and yummy rasgulla.